Hey babes, watch how I mix colors 6, 30, and 27 to create a custom warm tone braid blend. It's perfect for any glowing complexions and is very summer ready. So this is the color 6. This is how it look. It's a nice chocolate brown. Then we have a number 30, which is this rich golden brown. Then we have a 27, a nice golden blonde. This is how it looks together. 6, 27, 30. Here's a trick that I like to do. I start by pulling smaller pieces from each bundle and rotating them in a line on my arm. By doing this, I already have the blend partially mixed, and it makes it easier for me to blend it quicker and more efficiently. The next thing is that I also like to try starting with even ratios of the color, because if I put too much 6, it'll be dull. If I put too much 27, it'll be a little bit too brassy. And also if I put too much 30, it'll be a bit too warm. So that way I can see if I need to put more or less of another color. That's the blend, babe. Rich, warm, and braid ready. If you felt this mix, drop a comment or tag me in your results. I love seeing what you create. Until next time, keep your parts clean and your blends cleaner. Later.